The Mi-28 combat helicopter has been developed by MIL Moscow Helicopter Plant and is known by the NATO codename Havoc. The first of 4 prototypes made its maiden flight on the 10th of November 1982. The third and fourth prototypes were completed to Mi-28A standard with uprated engines exhausting via downward inclined diffusers. The fourth production standard prototype also had a moving, gyro-stabilized, under-nose electro-optical sensor turret and wingtip pods carrying electronic countermeasures and chaff dispensers. The Mi-28 has a conventional helicopter gunship layout with the pilot in the rear and gunner in front. It is armed with a 30mm trainable cannon housed in a turret under the nose. Twin 150-round ammunition boxes are co-mounted to traverse, elevate and depress with the gun itself. A total of 300 rounds are carried. The gun is identical to that of Russian BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle and uses the same ammunition. This gunship can also carry 2 pods with 80mm unguided rockets and 16 anti-tank guided missiles. It is claimed that this helicopter cannot be defeated by a single short-range anti-aircraft missile. Crew compartment is well armored. It withstands hits from 12.7mm armor-piercing rounds and 20mm He-Frag rounds. Mi-28's cockpit is compatible with night vision goggles. The pilot has a head-up display and one CRT on which TV imaging can be displayed. The primary sensor package comprises the optical sights and laser rangefinder in an undernose turret. The crew are protected by energy-absorbing seats and an emergency escape system allows the crew to escape safely by parachute. A hatch in the port side, to the rear of the wing, gives access to the avionics compartment and a space large enough to accommodate 2 or 3 passengers during a combat rescue. In 1994, Russian Army funding allowed modification of the first Mi-28A prototype to Mi-28N configuration. This introduced a mast-mounted MMW Kinzel V or arbalete radar, composite rotor blades, forward-looking infrared, and electronic flight instrumentation system cockpit, improved armament options including IGLAV air-to-air missiles and uprated TV-3117 VK engines. The Mi-28N made its first flight in April 1997. Production commenced in 2005. Deliveries of the Mi-28N attack helicopters to the Russian Army began in 2006. However, officially it was accepted to service only in 2013. The Mi-28 Night Hunter is an export version. Iraq ordered 10 of these attack helicopters. Algeria ordered 42 of these helicopters. Mi-28NM is the latest version. Development of this helicopter was started in 2008. It has a lot of differences comparing with the Mi-28N. This version is fully integrated into the data transfer system by all channels, including video, target position and other data. Also it is integrated with UAVs. Mi-28UB is a combat trainer helicopter. It is based on the Mi-28N. It can be used for pilot training. However, this helicopter retains full combat capability. MIL also proposes a variant of the Mi-28 for support of amphibious naval assaults. Currently a total of 24 Mi-28N attack helicopters are in service with the Russian Army. Some sources report that the Mi-28 is also in service with Kenya. In 2013, Iraq ordered a first batch of 10 Mi-28 helicopters. A total of 19 helicopters were scheduled to be delivered to Iraq until 2016. Algeria ordered 42 of these gunships.